Yes?
I'd like a room, please.
Very good, sir.
Yeah.
How long will you be staying with us?
Forever. And so begins my retirement.
See there, lad. Plankton is up to no good. I bet those are all the fixings for another evil lab.
Mr. Krabs, I'm gonna be sick.
Yes. Yes.
You see? He's got an evil belt to match those evil shoes.
Yes. My plan is almost complete.
He's playing. Did you hear that, SpongeBob? He said plan.
Please don't shake me, Mr. Krabs.
Ah, my pretty, you'll be my best friend from now on. Retirement is mine. Mine! Mine!
Oh, this is it, boyo. He's got an evil laser death apparatus ready to spring on all of us.
Whoa!
Now that I sees it, I believes it.
Ray, I knew you'd get it, Mr.
Ugh.
Krabs.
Ugh.
Krabs, what are you doing in my hotel room?
Oh, good luck on your retirement, Plankton.